Right, so the new Hayabusa counterclockwise supercharger kit sales are gaining momentum. This is the second bike that's going out. As you can see, we raised the tank and we've made a nice little vent shield screen either side, which looks pretty sweet. Superchargers here, as you know. We're making 17 pound of boost, making 360 horsepower at the wheels, 180 plus foot-pound of torque. And not only are we fitting this one, but we're on track to start pushing the kits that people have bought online through our website. So there'll be another 4 of these kits going out next week to customers across the world. If you want yours, give us a shout. It's the best money you could spend to get really good street performance. No throttle lag, instant acceleration, just drives like a bigger motor. And, you know, it's just the mutt's nuts.